Mama. It's me, Party.
Party what? By this time of the night? What is it?
It is urgent. It is urgent. Very urgent.
Urgent? What is it that couldn't wait till morning?
Normal. Anyway, it's already 3 o'clock. It's morning. It's already morning. Yes. You know. Now that you have finished mourning, it is only traditional that I take over from where my late brother, your late husband, where he stopped. Take care of the food you eat. Make sure that everything is all right.
Nai, I still can't get where you're going.
Hey. Well, now that Willie, my late brother, is no more, it is my duty to take over his position. And then to make sure that your needs are satisfied, including your personal needs. I know you will understand. I know you will understand. I know.
Thank you, Nai. I really appreciate. Thank you. But you have a family to take care of.
But Norma, I am not complaining. I will not complain. At least I will have to do my take care of your needs, especially those that are of a necessity.
What kind of necessity? Nai, please.
It's just like tiko now.
What kind of useless tiko?
Norma, calm down. You will go to bed. Norma, calm down. You see, Norma.
Is that why you came by this time of the night?
Norma, take it easy.
Biko, go. Leave my house.
Take it easy now. Help me.
Help you do what?
Do you know how long I have to wait for this kind of night? But help me. This thing is coming out.
What is coming out? Go back to your wife and give it to her. Biko, go. I will shout, I will start shouting. I will wake up the whole neighborhood.
Calm down.
Go. Leave my husband's house. Leave my house.
Norma, this is my father's house.
It is my husband's house. Go. I will shout, I will wake people up. Go now.
Are you sending me out of my father's
house? Patrick, go. Which your father's house? Go. Get out of my husband's house. Get out.
This is my father's house.
It is my husband's house. Just go. Go and take care of your family, Patrick. Go. Just go.
What are you hiding?
Nothing.
Come on, hug me.
Come
on, hug me.
Come close now.
Baby, come and hug me now.
I'm fine. I don't feel like hugging you for now.
Oh, you don't feel like hugging me?
Yes, I'm not hiding anything. Okay, come now.
Baby, come. Come and hug me.
Okay. Ah!
Not again.
Bring it first. Come on. Bring it first. Please, bring it.
Baby.
You gave her odd number now. Please, bring it first. Please.
Baby, I have told you not to spend your money on betting. It's wrong.
Baby, relax. Niger bet is not a sin. It's just a platform to try your luck. Listen, you never can tell. Luck might shine on me one day. So please, go belong.
Stop making it a habit.
Alright. Can I have this?
No.
You are holding my destiny.
Which destiny?
Ha. Because what? Please now, please.
Until you promise me you won't bet again.
Okay, I promise I won't bet again. Can I have this one? Please now. Oh, I won't. Trust me. I won't. You come. I won't. Oh, it's just a trial, love. It's not lazy. It's not that serious. Oh, you come. I won't. Please now. I'm begging you. Please. For the sake of love. Please. Ah. So tell me, how is Mama?
Mama is fine, but though she's still shocked about my father's death.
With time, she will get over it. What of Chisom?
Sister Chisom, she's fine. Though she has longer head with Mama.
Longer head over nothing. With time, she will come around. Come here, tell me what has been happening.
Nothing.
What has been happening? Oh.
Nothing.
How many people toasted you on the radio? How many?
Nobody.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I will kill somebody.
What I will do for my love, I will do it again. I will learn your bashara of love. What I will do for my love, I will do it again. My canapa love, I will run your bashara of bananigi. Just to go buy my heart, baby. Up a sunsaki, only you there, my heart, love of bananigi. Just to go buy my heart, only you, baby. Only you there, my heart, I will wait for you. Just to go buy my heart, only you, baby. Only you there, my heart, only you there, my heart, just to go buy my heart.
Papa, I want to have a word with you.
I'm listening. Go ahead.
It's about your land at Achiada Hills.
Yes, what about it?
I noticed you've not been making use of that land.
Yes, my son, I'm getting old.
climbing hills and long journeys a problem to me now. So,
I want to make use of that land, Papa. Yes.
what for?
I want to lease it out and use the money to further my education.
Is that what you are asking permission for? Go ahead. It's your property too. Go ahead and use it.
Thank you very much, Papa.
It's okay. It's a good idea. Just do what you want to do with it.
Thank you very much, Papa.
It's okay, my dear.
Thank you. She said Mama went to market. I have good news.
Are you serious?
You remember that our land? The one at Achiada Hills.
Yes.
You people can be farming there till further notice.
Wow, are you serious?
Yes. I told my father about it and he approved it.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, I love you. What can I do without you?
I love you more.
You sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you because I was bored and home alone.
Okay, now that I'm here, are you still bored?
No, of course not. And there is something I want to tell you.
Okay, I'm listening.
It's time for you, your sister, and your mother to reconcile. It's very important.
My mother has no problem. It's my sister, Sister Chisom. My mother has tried calling her on several occasions, but she wouldn't give her a listening ear.
So my friend, how did the case go at the end?
Don't you trust your girl?
Of course.
We won. As I'm talking to you right now, that young man is as free as a bird.
Oh, I'm so happy for you, Chisom. I can really see you are enjoying this your job, eh?
Hey, you can say that again. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
My barrister friend. Ay. So when else do you have another case?
Hello? Yes, this is Bryce at Chisom on the line. How may I help you? Sir, please, I'm fully booked for this month. Yes, this month of October is fully booked for me. I will start accepting new clients from November. No, sir, you don't have to wait for me. You can get other... Yes, you can get other lawyers. No, sir, you don't have to wait. There are better lawyers out there. Very well then, if you insist. I will see you in my office tomorrow. Alright, sir. Take care of yourself.
Who was that? A client who wants me to handle this case.
Despite the fact that I told him that I'm fully booked, but he still wants me to handle it.
That's nice. I'm so happy for you, darling. You are everywhere. Everybody wants Barrister Chisom.
You can say that again. I love my job. And it's not all the time that you get to see sexy lawyer like me.
What's wrong with Chisom? I was even surprised the way she left after your father's burial. That was too sudden.
My dear, it's a big surprise to me too.
But have you tried calling her? Let's give her a call.
Okay.
Yes, excuse me. Hottest lawyer in town. This is my younger sister.
Hello, sister.
Yes, Ebere, how are you?
I'm fine, sister. How is work?
Work is very fine. Stressful, but fine.
Patrick has been making us pass through here. He has been making life unbearable for Mama and I.
Listen, Ebere, I've told you this before and I'm saying it again. Whenever you want to talk to me. Don't involve that woman.
Sister, stop saying that. Mama and I is the only thing you have in this world, sister?
It's okay. It's okay.
So what's going on? My younger sister telling me how my uncle is maltreating her and my so-called mother.
Chisom, I can't believe this. So it's your mother you're referring to as so-called? No, now. This is not the best way to handle family issues.
I don't have a mother.
What?
And I appreciate it if you change this topic.
Chisom, we all know how family issues can be. Especially when there's no man there to stand in for the family. This is not the best way to handle this. You cannot handle a case like this with kid gloves. Come on.
Listen, Tracy. Whatever my uncle does to that woman is none of my business. And like I said before, I will appreciate it if you change the topic. Thank you very much.
Chisom, are you serious? Like, seriously?
I know my brother. I was on my way to your house. Yes, serious. Yes.
I want to go and see my love, Ebere. I hope all is well.
Well, there's no problem. But I just want to inform you and remind you so that you have it in mind that you will be hosting the next age grade meeting. It is your turn.
Oh, I won't be available on that date.
Why?
Reason best known to me.
Look. Don't even think about that. I hope you remember the penalty involved. Refusing to host the age grade meeting.
Obinna, I know. I'm ready to pay, but I won't be available on that date.
Wait, if I may ask, what is your reason?
Another court. I said reason best known to me. Okay, if you must know, on that date, I will be farming for my love, Ebere.
Wait, so because of your baby? Because of your girl?
Obi, how do you
Every baby. How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
How is your mother?
She's perfectly doing well. Chima was actually going to your place.
To my place? I was on my way to your house as well.
Okay.
If what will happen, just go. I'll be with you soon.
I'd rather wait for you at your place.
Meanwhile, I have something for you. This is 10,000 naira, 5,000 for you, 5,000 for mama. Go home and watch your mom. Come on, That's what you know. Come. See that film. Wife material. Machi, what is it?
Mind the way you spend on this girl. Look, all these things you are doing, throwing money as if you are central bank. One day, one rich man will just come from nowhere, from the city, and take her.
Let me worry about that. Learn to give without expectations.
Okay, you give without expectations. You should have told me that you are Father Christmas. Now let me come and collect my own. Look, when was the last time you spent this kind of money on your parents? Have you ever buy things like this or give money?
Listen, I'm done with this conversation. As for the age grade hosting, I am not hosting anybody on that date. I won't be available. I will pay the penalty.
Chima, think about this meeting. This girl will put you in trouble. Huh? When was the last time you bought one wrapper for your mother? Look at the way you just count money as if you are central bank. Yeah.
Good is by choice, bad is by choice. Manoya jisi bad nenu, abo kini ko nacho. Manoya jisi bad wala mwena, abo kini ko ge wata waya. Bata bata bata, bati bati oh. Uncle bati liki, iyora lolo na tagari.
Ne, please, say baby in. What are you doing here? Your father will come here now and start insulting me. What are you...
Answer the question. What are you doing there?
Papa,
How many times have I warned you to stay away from this evil and wretched people?
Countless times, Papa.
Countless times. Countless times. And what have you done, Iberi?
But Papa...
You have disobeyed me. Eh? All right. Disappear from here before I open my eyes.
Patrick, why are you being cruel to us?
Did you listen to yourself? You have the audacity to call me Patrick without even adding 9 or a J, or even at worst, Mazi. Am I your mate? No, am I your mate? Look, let me tell you. You want to kill my daughter the way you killed my first child. Hmm?
I did not kill anyone. I didn't kill anyone.
Can you hear yourself? You didn't kill anyone. You and I know what you did. You and I know that you know what you did. Okay. If you did not kill my first child, then provide my first child. Else, Norma, else, this house, this wretched house will not accommodate you. Because I will fight you with the last drop of my blood. Evil woman.
Good is by choice, bad is by choice. Manoya jisi bad nenu, abo kini ko nacho. Manoya jisi bad wala mwena, abo kini ko ge wata waya. Bata bata bata, bati bati oh. Uncle bati liki, iyora lolo na tagari. Take a busy
No.
What kept you this long?
Obinna, you know he talks too much. He was busy talking blah 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 blah. Sorry about that, okay?
Yeah.
You said Mama is fine, right?
Yes.
Good.
I missed you for a while, so I decided to come and see you.
I miss you too, because the feeling is mutual. I was on my way to see you before I met Obinna.
Where did you get this money from?
Bet.
Bet again? But you promised never to bet.
Come on, baby. Niger bet is not a sin.
Stop making it a habit. It's wrong.
It's not wrong. I was broke. So, Niger bet was the only option.
So, stop it.
Bet is bad.
Yes.
I should stop it.
Yes.
It's bad.
Yes, it's bad.
Okay. Give me my money back. It's bad.
Which money?
You can't be condemning bet and be eating bet money now. Give me my money back.
Please.
Please give it.
Stop! Tima, stop! Now which money? Tima, stop!
What have I done? God. Why do you allow people mock me like this? Why? Hey, God.
Mama, it's the problem again.
Hi. What have I done? Jireka came here looking for you. She didn't know that her father was trailing her. When the father came in, he started insulting me. He started raining abuses on me, saying that I killed his first child.
What sort of rubbish is that? Uncle Patrick has beaten more than he can chew. Excuse me, Mama.
No.
Mama, leave me!
There's no point trying to quench fire with fire. Allow Mother Earth to judge him.
Mama, leave me. I will not stand here and watch you get insulted by that pimpesu called an uncle.
Bia, what is that thing you're holding? Where did you get it from?
Mama, it's Chima.
Chima?
He gave me 10,000 naira and he said I should take 5,000 naira and make my hair and give you 5,000.
Chima? Oh, that boy will make a good son-in-law.
Mama, Chima is just a friend though.
Just a friend, okay? Yeah? You think I don't have eyes to see? Well, may God bless this our friend for us. Oh.
Mama, amen. I'm
going on my own. Give me my own 5,000. MSA again. Come on, give me my money. Give me my money.
Okay.
Will you use the whole 5,000 to make your hair?
Mama, I don't.
You go do my own first.
Njideka. Njideka.
Papa?
Add this place. Send them to the kitchen.
Thanks, sir. Papa, there's something I want to tell you.
Yes, what is it?
Papa, apart from you and Mama, I have no other person to call my parent, brother or sister, except Ebere. Auntie Norma has been very good to us, even before Uncle William's death, and even till death. I don't know why you hate them so much. I just don't know why.
Njideka, you are very lucky that I am in my good mood today. I have just finished eating my favorite food, roasted yam and fresh palm oil. Else, you would have had a taste of what the venom of a rattlesnake is like. If you know me well, you will know that that topic is out of bound in this house. Bring it up again and see what I will do to you. Now get up and pack these things and get out of this place. Get out! Get out! Shima, where are you going? I'm going to Yeah, my love. Don't you know what today's date is?
Today is November 29.
Doesn't it ring a bell to you?
Oh, you are talking about the age grade meeting that I'm supposed to host.
Yes.
Papa, I'm aware, but I have more important things to do.
Listen, I support you.
I won't be hosting age grade meeting. The reason is simple. I want to dedicate today to my woman and her mother. I want to clear their farmland.
I understand what you are saying. But let me not say that money stop the son of Fabu from hosting the age grade meeting. I will support you with 5,000 naira, Chima.
Papa, thanks for your support, but money is not the problem here. If we want a decision, I want to dedicate today to my woman and her mother. I've promised them that I will clear their farmland, and that's where I'm going to. So, age grade meeting or no age grade meeting, they should wait or some other time. Fine.
Chima,
Papa?
do you know the implication and the penalty you are bringing upon yourself?
Yes, Papa, I know. I'm ready to pay the fine. But as for today, I am not hosting any age grade meeting. I am going to help my woman. It's as simple as that. In fact, host them for me. I will pay you later.
What's it?
My Uncle Patrick tied back front in our land. And he stopped us from entering the land.
Uncle Patrick. Okay, let's go there.
Chima, what do you want to do?
What am I supposed to do? Go to bed. I'm going to see what he did, and trust me, know what I can do.
Listen to me. It's a taboo for you to touch that palm front. Wherever palm front is tied in this community, nobody touches and go near it. Calm down. We see Patrick and know what to do.
It's a taboo. Tradition, right? Listen, I will break. In fact, I will destroy that tradition today. Watch me.
Chima.
Let's go.
Chima, listen to me. Chima. Chima.
Okay. Come here.
Oh, good afternoon, sir.
What is good afternoon, sir? I can see at your age you don't have sense. What was the meaning of that?
No, wait.
What was the meaning of that?
What? Calm down. What?
What was the meaning of that nonsense you did?
Nonsense.
Yes.
Me. Who told you?
On my girl's land, don't pretend.
Your girl. Do I know your girl?
I'm talking about Ebere. You have 10 minutes to remove those palm fronds. Else, I will behead you.
The palm front that we use in playing on their land, I have told them to remove it. There is nothing there. It's ordinary to remove it.
According to tradition, it's a taboo. So I want you to remove it yourself.
No, this one is not a tradition thing. I was the one that put it there.
Patrick! Move.
Is that what you are carrying now? You would have just called me on phone.
Oh yeah.
Okay, go and remove it.
Oh yeah.
You see, look, that land.
Go and remove it. Don't let nobody show.
Okay, it is their land though. I have told them that this is your husband's land. What is wrong with these people? Eh? Remove palm front, ordinary palm front. Their land. That land is for Norma and Ebere. Eh? That land is for Norma and Ebere. And one fear, in a whoop palm front. Yankee will like I whoop palm front in one ever.
Useless. In fact, why did you stop?
By my shoe.
Why did you stop?
My shoe.
Let me escort you.
Piano! Obia! Obia!
What happened?
Shima, you are back. I hosted the age grade meeting on your behalf.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You hosted the youths on my behalf?
Yes.
You are the best father.
What can I do?
Thank you very much.
That's the only thing I can do as a father to you. There's nothing there.
So my guys came and had fun.
You can see. They just left. I know how you feel. In those days when I was chasing your mom, I've been in this shoe before, you know. So you don't have to bother yourself. Just packing the bottles.
Don't worry, I'll do all that.
How did you go with the farm?
I met that useless man, Patrick, and told him to go and remove those rubbish immediately. Papa, let me continue from where you people stop. Let me continue from where I stopped.
Enjoy yourself. We have just finished enjoying our own self too.
What of Just Mark?
Just Mark was here. You know he tests
almost stout.
7 bottles.
Just Mark, I know.
7 bottles.
7 bottles of stout.
Yes.
Hey, Just Mark, he took 7 stouts.
7 stouts. It seems like the young men come here just to see if you'll be able to hold them. They are ready to drink, and they did.
At least they know that I have a...
No, what are you saying? Yeah.
Thank you very much, Papa.
It's okay. It's okay. I know what you went for.
Don't worry, I will clear it.
No problem.
Hey! Baby, are you okay? Why is your face like this?
Me, I have not eaten since yesterday.
Gene, you've not eaten since yesterday. Who gave you 6 to 6?
It's not fasting.
It's not fasting. So why have you not eaten?
I don't have any money.
You don't have any money. But I gave you 10,000 naira the day before yesterday.
Mama used that 10,000 and paid the person she was owing.
Alright, is that why your face is like this? Huh? Shut up now, put little network. Okay? Put network, just put small. This is 25,000, eh?
Chima, where are you getting all this money from?
No, I am a man and I'm above 18. So go home, buy whatever you want, give Mama some. Most importantly, make your hair, okay? I want to see you bright, fine, beautiful, and all that. So try and make your hair, you know? And put network. Put network now. Add more signal. In fact, expand it. Let there be network everywhere. Free Wi-Fi. Expand it. Full service.
Is it heavy? Very heavy. Hey, what is heavy? You have not even seen heavy load. Ask me. This is what I've been doing since we were baby. Even your sister.
Mother was then now.
What was then? What has changed?
It's very, very heavy.
It's all about something. It is not heavy anything. Could you ever?
What is the problem? Gini kameri je fighting Nekwa no pato Oyalola ni jedi no yaza Gini ka ime regi Gini ka wani sepe me regi Bata bata Oyalola ni jedi no yaza Oyalola ni gini ka ime
This woman and her daughter have removed the palm frond that I placed at the entrance of the farm to stop them from going into the farm. If they have done it, then they will test my rod. Or have they gone to steal from somebody's farm? Let me go to the farm. But there is no sign of harvesting here. Where could that woman and her daughter gather such a bountiful harvest? Or, I hope it is not what I am thinking, that Norma and her daughter have started stealing from people's farm. Because if it is, I am now going to monitor every of their movements. And if I catch them, I will expose them and I will disgrace them. There's no point going inside. I have an urgent meeting. I just came to alert you about something very important.
And what could that be?
Agu, you know I have never misled you. Have I?
You have not.
Papa Njide, good afternoon, sir.
Hey, why, Oma? I can't give me.
Yama Njide.
Oh no. I ain't Chama. How are you?
I'm
fine. Listen, Agu. It will be wicked of me not to see what will send you to your early grave and not come and tell you.
Patrick, where is all this coming from? What is it?
Have you been to your wife's farm of late?
My wife's farm? I have not finished taking care of my own, not to talk of meddling on her own. Why?
Hi, Agu.
Mama.
I'm telling you that you are a walking corpse. Like you think you are alive. You're already a dead man.
Patrick, what is all this?
I am telling you that you should shine your eyes. I will shine your eyes. Maybe Nahagi. Shine your eyes. Eh? In fact, I think you should visit your wife's farm. Yes, you should make proper investigation of your wife's farm.
What am I investigating? Agu, come out with it. You are confusing me the more. What is it?
Hey! Agu. I saw Chima, your son, and Norma, along with Ebere, in your wife's farm, harvesting large tubers of cassava and cutting them away to Norma's house, trip after trip after trip. Yeah, but not the man. Eh? Not only that, Kambuazie Gobi. They are even planning to take over your farmland, your biggest farmland at Achiada during the next farming season.
Ogweshi to you. My friend, come back here. Where are you going?
What did I see about my mother?
Sit back. I want to talk to Chima, you have to be very careful about that family. Patrick is an evil man.
Papa, why are you saying this?
He was here last night, telling me how you have been harvesting your mother's crop. With your help and consent.
He told you?
Yes. But Chima, considering how open I have been to you as a father, why will you lie to me?
Papa, I did not lie to you in any way. So what are you talking about?
That land at Achiada, who are you leasing it
to? Actually,
I already know. Patrick told me. You are leasing it to Norma and her daughter, right? Chima, that is why I'm telling you to be very, very careful. There is nothing on earth he wants to know that we not know. Look, the death of his brother is still a mystery. Nobody can unravel what happened. Please, be very careful.
I will, Papa. I've heard you. But I love Ebere.
I know you love her. That's the more reason you should be careful. It's okay. You can go.
Thank you, Papa.
So after all that I have done to frustrate that woman and her daughter, to box them to a corner so that they cannot live without me, they still manage to find a way to go on living, creating loopholes in all the difficulties I have given them. All thanks to that boy called Jim. Are you still with your son? Anyway, let me see how they can cope without an accommodation.
Have you not done much harm to these people? Is it not high time you let them
And who invited you here?
I hope you understand that by now your brother will be uncomfortable in his grave.
All thanks to Norma. All thanks to her.
How?
Because if my brother had not married that woman, if William had not married that wicked woman, he probably would have been alive today.
Yes, Angela. I have not seen that woman as such that can even hurt her. So why are you doing all this?
Abia.
Every now and then you keep lamenting. Why?
Mangana. Norma! Naja! Norma! Never!
Why are you shouting my name like this? And I? Why were you shouting?
I am shouting your name. Norma. So I am now a dog that barks without a reason.
I never called you a dog.
Okay, very soon you will know why. I am a dog that barks with reason. Norma, I am giving you 3 weeks. 3 good weeks, 21 days to pack out of this house. Yes, because as the only surviving son of this family, I want to make use of my brother's house.
Why are you doing this to us? Where do you want us to go to?
Because your lazy father could not build a single room. And now, you want to enjoy that is built by another?
It's not just another. He was my husband.
Norma, I know. I know he was. He was. Thank God you used the word was. Now he is no more. Death has done you apart.
Nai, please. Allow my daughter to get married in her father's house. Biko.
Listen, does that loafer that parades himself all over the village as a graduate, is he ever willing and ready to marry you? Huh?
Wano, please. Wait till I'm dead. Just wait till I die, so that at least I will be buried beside my husband.
Norma, I'm tired of waiting. Norma, I have been waiting and I have been waiting and I am tired of waiting. Because the likes of you are not ready to die. Just look at you. Instead of dying, you're looking younger and younger. I am tired of waiting.
Uncle Patrick, has it gotten to the extent of wishing my mother death?
Oh, shut up. Shut up. Eh? Why are you people wasting my brother's property and resources? Look, I am giving you 3 weeks. Norma, I am giving you 3 weeks. 3 weeks to pack out of this house. Else, Norma. Else!
Good is by chance, bad is by chance. Manoya jisi bad nenu, abu gini kana chance. Manoya jisi bad nenu, abu gini kana.
Mama, we are not going anywhere. Thank God Sister Chisom is a lawyer. She will provide the documents of this house and defend us in court if we get to this extent. Ogenidi. Ha!
Uncle Patrick, life for not judge. This life for not judge.
No customers. God will help us. God will help us. Oh, nice. Good afternoon.
Shut up. And keep your ubuefi to yourself. Norma, time is counting out. And I have come to know how prepared you are to leave.
No, Biko, Biko, we don't have any other place to go. Have pity on us, Biko.
Norma. Norma, do you know you are heartless?
How?
How? How? Norma, I was still considering whether to allow you to stay or to go. I have not finished considering. And you have built a petty shop and even added it a place where they fry G and potato without my permission on my land.
But we don't have any other means of livelihood, sir. We have to open here to feed.
Liar! Liar! Like mother, like daughter. So where did you get the money to open this shop and to start frying nduku in my house? Where? Eh? Because you see, you are the kind of people that will be pretending to be dying. Dying! But somewhere you are building upstairs.
Now you know it's not possible. You know our capability.
Eh? So where did you get the money to open up this shop? Where? Nama, I am giving you 3 days. Only 3 days to close down this, whatever you call it, and to remove all this rubbish and throw them away and then pack out of my father's house. It is still my father's house. It is still my property. 3 days. If you don't leave this place in 3 days, what you see is what you get. Nonsense. Die, you will not die. Everywhere, causing problems everywhere.
Hey, what did I do to this Patrick, Bcos? What? Hey, Jesus. Hey.
Mama will come. There is no network.
Network, Bcos, keep on trying.
Okay.
Yes, Ebere, what is it? Why are you crying?
Nothing is alright, sister.
What happened?
Sister, Uncle Patrick has been making life miserable for us. And he gave us 3 days to leave our father's house.
So what is Mama? Sorry, that woman. What is she still doing there? She should leave already.
Is this coming from you?
This is coming from me. Yes. Listen, I don't have time to talk too much. I'm tired. I just came back from work.
Sister, you can't just abandon us. Mama and I are the only family you have. If not for anything, you are sisters, the same blood.
Well, I'll come next week.
You?
Yes, I'm sure. Because of you, I'll come next week.
Okay, thank you, sister. I love you.
I love you too. Take care.
What did she say?
She said she will be coming next week.
Ah, thank God, though. Thank God. Let her come and face Patrick.
Yes.
Hey! Thank God, though. Thank God, though. Hey!
Baby, what's the problem? Talk to me.
Chima, I had a dream. I was calling you, but you didn't turn back.
You had a dream. You were calling me and I didn't turn back.
Chima, please, promise me you won't leave me.
Are you sure you ate before going to sleep?
Oh, Chima, stop. I'm serious.
I'm not kidding. Because it's impossible, okay? We are together forever. I can't leave you. So it's either you didn't eat before going to bed, or better still, maybe malaria symptoms. I can't leave you. We are together, okay?
Chima, I'm serious. Chima, I love you.
Alright. Trust me. I will never leave you, okay? I love you more. I won't leave you, okay?
Lover, gonna believe. It's a lover, it's a lover.
Ebere! Ebere! Who is this girl now? Ebere!
Mama, does it mean that Sister Chisom is not coming as she promised?
I've even lost hope of her coming home today.
Why will you say a thing like that? Even if she did not come home and she promised, God is with us.
I know. But do you know how painful it is for me to be as wretched as this while I have a girl, a daughter as rich as Chisom?
Mama, I understand. Mama, don't worry. Mama, is this not sister?
Is she the only one that has that kind of car?
Oh, I'm asking motor one new why.
Pachaba go to look Gia. Hey!
Sister!
Samu, Mamu, Samu. No! Hey, Mama.
Hey, Barry, how are you?
I'm fine, sister.
I can see.
She's my daughter. I was actually waiting for you to come back so that Patrick will know that I have a lion as a daughter. A lawyer.
Hey, woman, stop that nonsense. What is she doing? What are you doing? Listen, I only came here to see you and my uncle.
Well, I got this for you.
Listen, I only came to see you and my uncle. I don't know about this woman.
Sister Ozmona?
Chisom.
I'm heading to my hotel now. And like you know, tomorrow I'll be going back to the city. In case you change your mind on coming with me, I'm in Queen's Suite, room 101.
With due respect, sister, I'm disappointed.
Okay. Very well then. Suit yourself. But if you change your mind, like I said earlier, you know where Queen's Suite is.
I'm sorry I got you angry the other day.
It's okay.
It won't happen again. You mean your sister drove past your house and headed for your uncle's house without even stopping by to say hi?
Not even hiding. You need to see the items she brought for them. Though Njidika told me that her mother is not part of it.
That means something is wrong somewhere. It's not ordinary.
My mother said so.
Alright. We'll continue this conversation later. We need to go home, eh? We need to cut the call. Yeah?
Chima, I know where you are going. Betting. Come on, Chima, when will you stop betting?
Ebere, Naija bet is not a sin. I'm coming.
Chima! Chima!
What I would do for my love, I will do it again. I will on your bashara up a love. What I would do for my love, I will do it again. Makan up a love. I will on your bashara up a nanigi. Just occupy my heart, yeah. Baby, up a sansaki. Only you there, my heart, yeah. Love, up a nanigi. Just occupy my heart, yeah. Only you, baby. Only you there, my heart, yeah. I will wait for you. Just occupy my heart, yeah.
Congratulations, Shima. Your 10 million naira Risha.
What is bothering you?
Bothering me?
Yes.
Mama? Do I look worried?
Yes. Tell me, what's the problem?
That means you don't have spiritual eyes.
Or is Ebere pregnant?
Hey,
it's not a laughing matter.
Mama, Ebere is not pregnant.
What is that? Tell me.
Mama, I am made.
Eh?
I swear, I am made. Do you want to know?
I want to know now. Tell me.
Should I tell you?
Yes.
Hope you won't shout.
No, I'm all ears. Tell me.
I won 10 million naira via Niger bet.
Huh?
10 million, 10 meters, 10 mil.
Emugwana.
Ha.
10. Do you know what is 10 million naira?
Mama, I want 10 million. I can't be
No, I
lying.
don't need that joke from you now. I don't need it. I don't need it.
Do I look like a joker? I don't want to shout because people will start asking me what happened. I want to keep it to myself. Mama, I swear, jokes apart, I won 10 million naira from Niger Bet. Cash!
10 million naira. 10 million. Eh? Or flour milk or cassava milk?
Mama, which one is flour meal or cassava meal? When I say meal, I mean million.
10 million. Where is it?
Ha.
Where is the money?
In my bank account as we speak.
Your bank account? I didn't believe you till I see with my naked eyes.
Okay, you want to see?
Yes.
Don't worry, I will surprise you.
10 million naira. Hey! 10 million.
Don't tell people, no. Lower your voice now. Why are you shouting?
10 million. Chibi. Hey!
Niger Bet. 10 million naira can win.
Hey!
Cash. Bro, I'll come and get you.
10 million naira.
Mama, add cash.
Ha! No. Till I see.
My balance.
Hey!
Chima.
See my account balance.
Ugomma.
The money have Kwezoko. Who says my son will not become something in life? Where are those people that refer to my son as a village loafer? Where are they?
Mama.
Eh?
You are saying all this because I'm now a multi-millionaire.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember the day I stole your money?
Yes, I remember vividly.
Good. You called me a village thief, a village loafer, blah, 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 blah. Wow.
Seba, poor. I did not. Even if I did, I never meant it. Someone cannot play with you again. Eh?
No, ma. God has done it for us. So. She might now be a millionaire.
How can I open this my mouth that I used to eat yam and cocoyam to call my rich son a village loafer? Eh? No, I don't know possible. Eh? Chineke ekwena.
Ha! Women and money. Hey! Money, woman. My son, that reminds me. What is your plan about this money so far? This is a huge amount of money.
Okay. My plan for this 10 million naira is I will give my love Ebere and her mother some parts. Give you and Mama some parts. And travel with the rest to accomplish my dream of becoming a master's degree holder.
It's okay. I agree with you. It's okay. Education first. My son, but you know that money I use in sponsoring your age grade the other time.
Child, money, men and money.
Good is not like that.
Hey! I talk about the other people.
I'll do myself for you.
You're talking now. Jiva.
I'll do myself for you.
Hey!
Hey!
My son is.
Remember the dream I told you?
Yes.
Now, the dream has come to fulfillment.
I understand how you feel. But I'm traveling for our own good. If I make it big and return, you will enjoy it for the rest of your life.
Chima, if you leave me, I will die.
Love one thing, love gonna believe. It's a love, it's a love.
Listen, I promise I will not leave you, okay? Just promise me you will be a good girl while I'm out. It's okay. It's okay. Wipe your tears. It's okay. Papa, I'm good to go.
Okorobia, nwa muramu, asadi na woke. You are as handsome as your father.
That's why you never let me out of your sight. My son, remember all we said. Just know why you are there. When you get there, know the son of who you are and know where you are coming from. Apply wisdom in whatever you do and everything will be okay.
I will, Father. I will. Ebere, don't forget to always come once in a while and help Mama.
Of course, this is my own too. Despite the fact we are missing, yes I do.
Odogu.
Alright.
Yes, Mr. Man. How dare you barge into my office in that manner?
Sorry, madam. I was trying to stop him, but he shoved me outside.
It's okay, I'll handle it. Go back to your seat.
Thank you.
And how dare you take money from me and refuse to appear in the court over my son's case?
Mr. Man, I told you that I was busy.
Do not address me as Mr. Man. I am Chief Alusiego I of Igbo land. If you are busy as you claim, why didn't you send another lawyer to represent you in the court. A lawyer as intelligent as you are.
Mr. Whatever you call yourself, I don't involve third party in my business.
Then do your work. Or you refund my 8 million naira.
You know the policy that says that no refund of money after payment. I don't do refunds. Sorry.
Then you have to work for it. Or if you are not capable, tell me, then I will look for an intelligent lawyer to handle this case.
I beg your pardon? Don't wag your tongue in my office.
And if I do, you are just being arrogant because you think you are the best lawyer in town.
Of course I am. If I'm not, you won't be here blabbing.
Let me warn you. If anything happens to my son, I will sue you and press charges against you.
Wow. You will sue me?
Yes!
Sue me over what exactly? Listen, Mr. Man. I make the law. And I can as well break it if I want. Now get out of my office. Get out!
Very well then. But if you fail this time, I will tell you why they call me Chief Alusiego One of Igbo land.
Get out before I call the security. Get out! Rubbish. Nonsense.
So you mean Chima has gone abroad?
Yes, I will miss him, but he left as of yesterday. I've been trying to reach him. His number has been switched off.
Yeah. You see, in this life, do not write anyone off because you don't know what tomorrow may bring. Nobody is indispensable.
That's true.
You're a lucky girl. Oh. I'm really happy for you.
Yes, he gave us 2 million naira, which Mama has taken some of the money to buy more goods in the shop.
2 million?
Yes.
Ne, forget that thing. What are you lying to? 2 million naira? I don't believe you.
You don't believe me?
Yes.
Oh, well, okay. Do you believe me now?
Yes, but baby, this amount of money should not be kept in the house. It's to be kept in the bank.
It is kept for Thomas like you to believe.
Baby, one can pass out seeing such an amount of money, you know.
Come on, why will you say anything like that? We are used to the money.
Look at you, acting as if you've seen such amount of money before. Now act like a big woman, Abi.
Yes, now I'm a big woman.
Okay. Look at you, baby. Oh.
I'm coming.
2 million. Hey.
Okay. Let's go to the shop.
All right. Baby, I'm very lucky. I'm really happy for you. Papa, there's something I want to tell you. Papa, do you know that there is how one can be troubled by another who feels superior, and that person can be troubled into his glory?
Njideka, what is this thing about trouble? Ogini?
The hard time given to a baby and a mother by you has made the way for them.
What is wrong with you? What do you have with those riffraffs?
Papa, stop addressing your late brother's family as riffraffs. They are humans like you and I.
If they are not riffraffs, then tell me, what are they?
They might be riffraffs, but those people you called riffraffs are 100% better, richer, and ahead of us.
Radio without battery. How?
Firstly, you remember that Ago's son Chima? He's now doing his master's abroad. Remember, he is betrothed to a Bere.
And then?
Secondly, he won 10 million naira and he gave a Bere and Norma 2 million naira, which I saw with my own eyes. As I'm speaking with you, the money is lying down in their house.
Njideka, I think you have malaria. You go and treat yourself of malaria. This is how you will be talking church, all lies.
Okay.
Can anybody give anybody 2 million naira?
It's all right. I have sealed my mouth. In case you doubt me, you can go and make an inquiry on your own.
Be quiet.
Okay.
But wait, Njideka. Are you serious that Abu's son gave Norma and her daughter 2 million naira?
I said I have sealed my mouth. You can go ahead and investigate on your own. Investigate on your own. Not saying anything again.
I've told you that you have malaria or some other sickness. Your brain is not working well. Okugenji. Nan?
Okay now. I won't say anything again.
Are you serious?
I've sealed my mouth. Investigate on your own.
Anakwaya. No boy. But you are not prepared so that we can go to the evening council meeting.
The meeting. I'm almost ready, but the thing is, my wife is not around, and I'm waiting for her to come before I start coming.
In that case, you have to go inside and bring one of those your bottles so that I can sit here and wait with you.
No need. I don't know when she'll be coming. So you can be going when she comes. Whenever she comes, I start coming. Just take excuse for me. I'm coming.
Okay, that means I will be going. What of your son, Chima? Oh. I have not seen him in a very, very long time.
Chima went to Onitsha. He went to see my elder sister in Onitsha.
Ewo?
Yes. There's no problem. It's just that I've been in the village for long. Let him go and explain city life. It was just for 1 month.
Omakawa.
Yes.
Omaka. Odemma.
Are you sure?
Are you sure? It appears that the young man is disturbing you from your manly duties at night.
Patrick, you and this. I told you before, having such thought at the back of my mind is suicidal. I can't be thinking like, nah, the power is no more there. I'm not. Stop all this.
Anyway, it's okay. It's all right. When your wife comes back, endeavor to please come for this meeting because important issues will be discussed.
It's okay. I will be there. I'll be coming.
Let me go.
It's okay.
Let me go.
Just take it.
When she comes back,
Patrick, you.
Okay. I can't do them about it. So Agu thinks that I am stupid to believe his cock and bull story. But wait, who am I to believe? Is it Njideka or Agu? I have a better way of confirming this incident. And if I do, then I am a self-made millionaire. Igwe, for now, the meeting in your council chamber stands cancelled. Millionaire in the make.
Party, Uncle Patricky, take a busy, Uncle Patricky, life for not judge, this life for not judge.
The money is 2 million. 2 million naira. So you get the money. And I want you to know that you should not leave any traces. No traces whatsoever. Sure. And finally, you and your boys are on your own. So, where do we see tomorrow? Tomorrow morning, very early in the morning, where do we see?
Near where to get us now. You may be in time. By bongo by Dondo. Bambombo.
What is wrong?
Better now.
Good night.
All right. I go deliver him. Go the Bcos.
I can't actually remember the last time we ate this food meal. Poverty is bad. To the bottom poverty. Uncle Chip. Chili. There's that a chima. Chima, yeah, the woman. You want that soup and keep it too. Yes,
Where's the money?
Brother?
Who is your brother? I said, where's the 2 million naira?
Hey, 2 million what? No, we don't have that kind of money here.
Oh, so at your age, at your old age, you still telling lies, eh? Eh? Get out, girl!
No, please!
Get out!
Please, wait! It is in my room.
Move!
My room.
Go and get your money.
My room.
Move!
Do you understand? Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So you know say you resemble me. When I give you. You went and had you carry toothpick for mouth. That shows there is money in this house.
No, sir. Only.
Why are you lying?
Sorry, sir.
Now look at me.
Brother.
Life and death is in your hands. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
We would kill you if you fail to cooperate.
I'm cooperating, sir.
You're sure you're cooperating?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Have you getting? Alright, let's go. Don't look. Your head down. Let's go. Guys, wait now. Guys, wait now. Make I collect this thing now. Wait. No. Let's go. You don't fuck up, oh. Laugh. Look at me. Give me a smile. Hey. Thank you. Yeah. Mama. Anago.
They are gone. God, why? Why? Mama. Why would this happen to us, God? Hey. So, is it that you have destined us to be poor? Do you want us to die in poverty? Hey, God. Why would they allow this happen to us? Why? Our only hope of becoming comfortable has been dashed. God. Hey. What sin have we committed that cannot be forgiven, God?
Mama, thank God we are not hurt. As long as there is life, there is hope to God.
Mama, in this case, Mama,
God will definitely see us through.
See the Chima that gave us that money. Chima that has been helping us is no longer in this village. It's in the village, in the country.
Finish.
Mama, did you tell anyone that we had such an amount of money at home? Eh?
So you mean Chima has gone abroad?
Yes, I will miss him, but he left as of yesterday. I've been trying to reach him. His number has been switched off.
Yeah. You see, in this life, do not write anyone off because you don't know what tomorrow may bring. Nobody is indispensable.
That's true.
You're a lucky girl. Oh. I'm really happy for you.
Yes, he gave us 2 million naira, which Mama has taken some of the money to buy more goods in the shop.
2 million?
Yes.
Ne, forget that thing. What are you lying to? 2 million naira? I don't believe you.
You don't believe me?
Yes.
Oh, well, okay. Do you believe me now?
Yes, but baby, this amount of money should not be kept in the house. It's to be kept in the bank.
It is kept for Thomas like you to believe.
Baby, one can pass out seeing such an amount of money, you know.
Come on, why will you say anything like that? We are used to the money.
Look at you, acting as if you've seen such amount of money before. Now act like a big woman, Abi.
Yes, now I'm a big woman.
No, Mama. Where are you going? Where? Yeah? Where are you going?
Somewhere, Mama.
Somewhere that does not have a name? Eh? Hey.
Where are these boys? They asked me to come here. I'm not seeing anybody. Hey. Said I should. Dalu no. Onwe na ni.
Good is by chance, bad is by chance. Try again later. Thank you.
Bano. You have to be available. You have to be available. You have my money. No. They cannot take this money. How can these boys take a whooping 2 million naira and just disappear like that? Bano. It's not done. But Patrick, wake up. Wake up from your slumber. Looking for these boys will be tantamount to committing suicide. But they can't take the money and go. No. They cannot take the money just like that and disappear. It's not possible. I must recover my money. Yes. I must recover my money. I must. Because I can't. I must recover.
No. You left her so early this morning. Where did you go to? Eh?
Exactly where you're seeing.
Is there any problem?
Did you create any problem? Did you? Eh? What is this your church, nosing every nook and cranny of my life? Eh? Come on, go inside and go and attend to your chores.
Is it a crime there?
What crime? Come on, leave this place. What is your problem?
No problem. The door is open. When you're ready, you come inside.
Did you close it before? Are you the one that opened it? Just stay on our own. We're talking about 2 million. What is your problem? I think it is a mistake I married you. But this money can't go like that. It's not possible. Hey.
Njidika, you are the only one that knew we had money in our house.
Yes? What happened?
Few days ago, that money was kept in our house. The day I told you about this money was the day we were robbed. Njidika, who did you connive with to rob us?
I beg your pardon. I didn't connive with anyone.
Don't beg my pardon. Who did you tell about the money?
I swear, I didn't tell anyone. Papa, stop addressing your late brother's family as riffraff. They are humans like you and I.
If they are not riffraff, then tell me, what are they?
They might be riffraffs, but those people you called riffraffs are 100% better, richer, and ahead of us.
Radio without battery. How?
Firstly, you remember that Agu's son, Chima? He's now doing his master's abroad. Remember, he is betrothed to Ebere.
And then?
Secondly, he won 10 million naira and he gave Ebere and Noma 2 million naira, which I saw with my own eyes. As I'm speaking with you, the money is lying down in their house.
Njideka, I think you have malaria.
You didn't tell anyone. I am going to involve the police or the community deity, Ogugu.
Ebere, that's unfair now. Eh? Are you no more a Christian? You're supposed to know how Ogugu kills now, from generation to generation.
Thank God you know that. You better start talking.
Ebere, please, promise me it won't escalate, please.
Not if you tell me what I need to know.
I never meant any harm. I just wanted my father to feel remorseful about how he's treating you and your mother. And I decided to tell him that God has finally blessed you and your mother. That's all.
That means your father robbed us.
Hey, baby, you cannot be sure. It could be a coincidence. Or did he carry out your operation himself?
Your father should get ready for unseen battles.
So my friend, what did you not tell me? Okay, back to your question. I told him to show me his money and his so-called gold engagement ring. I don't need it. So I don't understand. Why? Why would you do that? Are you blind? No, have you taken a very good look at me? That guy is not my type. No. He's not my type.
You really have to calm down with this your selection, my friend. You're selecting too much. Mind you, you're not getting any younger. Give Choose a chance now. He's a nice guy.
I still have my life ahead of me. Why the rush? Moreover, the person that would have been on my neck for grandchildren is no more here. Yes, he's late. My late father. So why the rush? I have to live my life to the fullest. Enjoy life. Life is sweet.
So what about your mother?
Tracy, I have told you never to mention that woman's name.
Never will.
Chill. You're welcome to my office.
Don't patronize me. Where is the 20 million naira our community paid into your account?
Is he talking to you? Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you. You bluntly refuse to stand in court to defend us. Now our land has been taken away by our counterparts.
So, is that why you're blabbing in my office? Talking too much? Oh, I see. Because I called you a chief. That's why your head is swelling and you have the nerves to talk too much in my office. I bet you don't know me too well. You don't know me.
I bet you are yet to see the other side of me.
Is that a threat? Is that a threat? I will sue you and press charges against you for threat to life, battery, and assault.
Did I hear you say threat? If you don't cry over your family, then call me a bastard.
Then if you don't do anything, shame on you, bastard! Get out! How dare you? Look at this fool. Coming to my office to threaten me. Rubbish. Nonsense.
Jisoo, that's a high chief you just spoke to like that.
And so, high chief my foot. High chief to his people, not to me.
Oh, Jisoo, these people are diabolic.
Oh, please. You believe that you can believe anything. You will do nothing.
My friend, I really think you should take this easy with the way you talk to these clients.
Shut up. We run the judiciary. You're beginning to talk too much. I think you need a drink.
Secretary! Secretary!
Since Tima traveled outside the country, you haven't heard from him.
I still haven't heard from him.
Did you inquire from his parents?
Yes, severally.
How can that be? They now would travel to his destination to at least call the people to ease their mind.
Excuse me, ladies. Good evening. I may not know the subject of your discussion, but can you let me in?
I don't understand. What's your business?
Pardon my manners. My name is Kelvin. I am from Iseke village. I am new here and I actually need some people to call my friends.
We are not prostitutes or brothers.
Don't mind my sister.
Oh, your siblings?
Yeah, they're actually cousins. She's a very animal.
Ebra, I like your courage.
Thank you.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Kevin, this is Baby's mother.
Mama, good afternoon.
Afternoon. You don't want to eat? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I am sorry, Mama, if I am invading into your privacy. My name is Kelvin. I have to go straight to the point. I like your daughter, and I want to marry her.
My daughter already has someone who wants to marry her. Chideka should have told you that.
Yes, Mama, she did. She did, but according to her, this said man has not returned for the past 3 years.
You have to go since she refused to give you audience. I will talk to her and know her mind. By the way, where are you from?
Isieke village.
Isieke people are nice people.
You can say that again, Mama.
No problem, I will talk to her.
It's alright, Mama. You're such a nice person.
Thank you for the compliments.
Alright. Mama, please, have this.
Thank you.
What's in Nobi, Mama? It's from my heart.
Come on. Thank you, Mom.
Okay.
I'll talk to her like I told you.
Alright, Mama. I have to be on my way now. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. Ebere! Ebere! Come. I want you to give me a sincere answer to this question I'm about to ask you.
Okay, Mama.
What is going on? Ebere, what is going on between you and that boy that came here?
Mama, Mama, I don't know him.
Well, my duty as your mother is to guide you. All I want to tell you now is to follow your heart.
Okay, Mama. Don't worry. I will not disappoint you. Let me go back and continue what I'm doing.
lord. What's up?
Look. I'm not here for that. Keep that to yourself for now.
Okay. What have I done this time?
Huh? What have you not done? What have you not done? Look, Oba Akiloye was going to the press to scandalize your name. You collect money from clients without appearing for them in court? Huh? Coupled with public complaints here and there? I stopped him that I will talk to you.
What impetus? What audacity? I would have sued that idiot for defamation of character. Oh yes. He came to me and I told him that my schedule was very tight and he insisted I defend him anyway. How is that any of my fault?
You would have rejected the money and signed it to other barristers.
My lord, they wouldn't still listen. Everybody wants me. Everybody wants the almighty, sexy Chisom Williams to defend them. At the end of the day, they'll turn around to blame me.
Do you know the implication of what you are doing? Do you know the meaning of what you are doing in law? Huh?
Oh yes. My darling. I know the implication of what I am doing. And I know that my darling here wouldn't allow anything to happen to me. Or would you allow me to go to jail?
No, of course. But then you have to change your orientation. Change your way of doing things. Is that okay? Huh?
I want you in my house tonight.
Oh, tonight? Oh, the pleasure is all mine.
Baby, listen to me. Hold it right there. I don't want to hear anything from you.
Are you reasoning from your anus?
Yes, I am.
Hey, baby, this guy is rich. Do you know if God sent him to replace Chima?
Yes, he's rich. I don't care. As for me, I'm married for companionship.
Hey, baby, this guy means business. He is not a playboy. Do you know if God sent him to bring you and your mother out of penury?
I don't care. You cannot dissuade me from my goals. I love Chima. I stand firm for Chima.
Hey, baby, you are sick. Seriously, you are sick.
Oh, you're just realizing it. Suit yourself.
What I will do for my love, I will do it again. I will learn your bashara of love.
Mama, I bought this for you.
Thank you very much, but keep it.
Mama, are you rejecting my gift?
No, I am not rejecting. I'm not rejecting it, but just hold it. Hold it first. You know, it is not me you're coming for. So if you give me all the gifts in the world, it wouldn't change anything. Let us just give her little time and see if she will come around.
I understand, Mama.
Thank you.
But honestly, my gifts are separated from my desire. I'll be going back to the city very soon. I only needed assurance that I've found a wife.
Hey, I'm not too fast. No, not so fast.
Mama, I am the only child of my parents. I need to make them proud.
My son, you don't need to marry to prove a point. You marry because of love. Me looking at you, I would tell that your parents are already proud of you, whether you're married or not. Huh?
Mama, I need to give my parents grandchildren. They need their grandchildren. I am serious.
Mom, let me teach you something you don't know. Marriage is not just for rearing children, but also for companionship. You can have all the children in this whole world, and you're not in peace with your wife. Can't you see your house with your part?
I understand, but I don't see.
You again? I have told you I have a man. Why bothering my life?
Ebere, greet your mother first.
I'm sorry, Mama. Good afternoon.
Mama. Good afternoon, Mama.
Afternoon.
What you quit?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Mama, how are you?
Fine, no.
Where are you both headed?
Where else but home?
I thought as much. Can I drop you?
With this car? Mama, this kind of car is not meant to carry.
Mama, this is my car. I decide what to do with it. Hop in, because.
Hop on here.
Up here, oh. Hey! Mama?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thank you.
So, this woman has grown with her daughter to now carry a luxury car and go to the farm. Look at how happy they are, laughing, chattering. Ah, hey!
Mama?
Thank you.
Patiriki, Patiriki, you have been too soft on this woman and her daughter. Yes! Eh? And who is that young man with them? Could he be there for Norma? No, I don't think so. But I thought they said that Ebere is betrothed to Chima. Norma, Norma, you are so happy now. But very soon, very, very soon, I will bring sorrow and tears to your household. Amba, ọmụnwa bụzi n'uko na-ejebe ite. Ite adịghị eje n'ugbo uko. No, you have become ite. Ite that only Uko goes to visit. Yes, you have become the pot that only the cup goes to visit. Agu, have you ever washed your feet and say, let me go and visit Patrick? Have you?
Patrick, you are my friend. You know how busy I am. It's not that I don't want to visit you.
Agu, you are very busy.
Yes.
Okay, so I am the one that is idle. I am the one that is jobless, but I am rich. Huh? No, I am jobless now. That is why I come to your house.
That's not what I mean. You do take matters into heart so much. Why?
It's okay. Anyway, how is your son Chima?
Chima is fine.
Rumor has it that he is abroad now, isn't he?
Yes, he is. We do speak oftentimes.
You see? And he's betrothed to my niece Ebere. True of us.
Yes. Everybody knows them in this village. It's not a new thing. Everybody knows.
Agu, I don't understand you.
How?
Oh, I keep telling you to open your eyes, to shine your eyes. Huh? Here maybe the Irugu and you say you are a man. Huh?
How?
Your son Chima is about to be dumped for a handsome rich man.
How do you mean?
How do I mean? I am telling you that your son Chima is about to be dumped for by a rich young man. You are asking me how I mean. Okay. I saw Norma and Ebere. Both were dropped right in front of their house by a Lexus 350. Brand new, chala chala. Eh?
That might be somebody they know.
Somebody they know. They were bringing out cassava, egusi, firewood, and all manners of farm produce from the car. You are saying it is somebody they know. Eh?
How is that?
How is what? Eh? What kind of sacrifice will a man make with a brand new Lexus 350? Chala chala. What is he looking for? He is not looking for a lover. He is looking for a wife.
A wife, you say?
Of course.
Patrick, I don't really understand where you are taking all this to. Everybody has choices to make. If my son Chuma comes home and find out that the girl has been taken by another, we have so many young, beautiful ladies and girls around the village. He can choose from any of them, even abroad there. You can't kill the young girl because men are making passes at her. You know that girl is beautiful. So men will flock at her. I don't see anything wrong with that.
Agu, you are a fool.
Me?
Agu, you are a big, fat fool.
Patrick, you are insulting me in my house.
I wasted my time coming here to alert you of what will happen to you very soon. You know what I will do? I will go and encourage the young man to quickly come and pay the bride price. Do not say I did not tell you. I will encourage the young man to come and pay the bride price.
Party, Uncle Patrick, take a busy, Uncle Patrick, life for not judge, this life for not judge.
Ebere, I want you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. Is there any young man hanging around you lately?
Yes, Papa.
What is his intention and how much do you love him?
Papa, I swear, I have not considered him not to talk of love. Whatever he's doing it on his own will. I have told him to stay away from me, yet he keeps disturbing me.
My dear, I have not gotten to the extent of swearing. There's nothing bad in you getting married to another. The same support I will give you if it's to be my son is the same support I'm going to give you if you are married to another person.
My daughter,
It's not a crime to marry another person. After all, we are all human. You have to carry on with your life.
Mama, Papa, is there anything you people are not telling me? Is Chima okay? Is he alright?
My dear, we are as confused as you are. Since he left here, we have never heard from him. That is why I told you to carry on with your life.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
But it's either Chima or no one else.
Assam. Oh.
Please.
Come on, baby, are we quarreling?
Who's your baby?
Listen, I'm not here for quarrels, okay? Come on.
My name is Ebere, not baby. And will you take your filthy self out of this place now?
Morgini. What is happening? What is going on here? How are you, my son?
I am fine, Mama. Good afternoon. Mama, I actually came to bid you and my love here farewell. And this is what I'm getting.
And you will get more than that if you don't get out from here.
Will you shut up?
It's alright, Mama. I have something for you.
What is your problem? I taught you to be nice to people, no matter what.
Mama, here is 500,000. It's for you. Just use it and get yourself anything. It's from my heart.
Now, get out of this place.
Since Agu has refused to dance to my tune, Norma, you will suffer, and no amount of medicine or herbs can cure you. You will wither until you die like a vegetable. Where is my money?
Mr. Man, you're shouting. What money? And who are you to shout in my office?
The money realized from selling my estate and 2 filling stations.
Well, like I said, payment is in progress.
What? You are a thief, young man.
I beg your pardon?
Yes, I said you are a thief. Payment is in progress, but renovation has started. How do you explain that?
Is that why you have the temerity to call me a thief in my office? Do you know I can sue you for this singular act? Did you make inquiry if he has completed his payments?
Yes. He told me he had made every payment into my lawyer's account. He even showed me an evidence of the 500 million he paid to you.
That's it. I could nail him for false accusation and forgery of receipt. What did he pay 500 million to?
So where are my documents?
Your documents? You know what? Your documents should be somewhere in this office, yes. But as you know, I'm busy. I'm a bit busy now, so I'll look for it some other time.
Don't play a smart one on me. He showed me the documents, the original documents himself.
What?
Yes, I saw it with my two naked eyes.
If he did, then he must have stolen it from my office. That's another offense, punishable by law. I'm going to sue him. Yes.
Arrogant lawyer. Arrogant lawyer. If by the end of this month, I don't hear any positive thing from your end, you will see the other side of me. That's a promise. I don't have any business with the buyer. It's you that I will hold responsible should anything happen to my properties.
I think you need to go home. Relax. Go to the spa or club. Meet your woman. Take some alcohol. Get some nice massage and relax your nerves. You're stressed and messed up, so you need to relax.
That's all you have to say? Let me assure you that doom awaits you if I don't get my money or properties back.
If you were not my client, you would have paid big money for these relaxing tips. But I forgive you.
Let's see how it goes then.
Good is by chance, bad is by chance. Manoya just bad in the no, give me corner. Manoya just bad in the give me corner with our butter, party, Uncle Patrick, you're all over my baggy. Take a busy, Uncle Patrick, life for not this life for not
Love one thing, love a book on a belly. It's a lover, it's a lover.
What is going on? The shop is closed and you haven't peeled the cassava you harvested yesterday. Mama, hey, you are bleeding.
I noticed it last night. I didn't tell you because I didn't want you to panic.
Blood. Mama! Mama! Jesus.
No, yes.
Is Doctor in?
No. She just went out. She'll be back anytime soon. Huh?
I don't know what is happening to my mother.
Yeah, come see doctor.
Hey, Doctor. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Your mother was diagnosed of food poisoning, and the sum of 150,000 naira is needed to commence treatment.
Madam, you need to go and look for the money if you want your mother to survive.
What is it? What is it now? What's chasing you? Why are you running? What is it?
My mother! This is your father in?
Yes. What happened to your mother? What is it?
What is going on here?
Uncle. My mother!
What about your mother?
Uncle, my mother, she's vomiting blood. Oh, she's vomiting blood. She's at the hospital.
What did the doctor say is wrong with her?
She was poisoned, Uncle. Uncle, please.
Poison?
Yes, Uncle.
Who could have poisoned her?
Uncle, I don't know, Uncle. The doctor did 150,000 for deposit.
Did you say the doctors asked for 150,000 naira?
Oh, Uncle.
Hey, but where do they want you to get 150,000 naira?
Uncle, please now. Uncle, please help us. You know our condition. Uncle, please.
See, Ebere, the thing is that 150,000 naira is not the same thing as 150 naira. It is not. Where will we get it from?
Uncle, we don't know.
Okay, you have to be calm. You have to be calm. You know, all these things just is very sudden. Very sudden. So you will wait, be patient till tomorrow so that we can put our heads together and know what to do.
Okay. Get up. Okay. Uncle, thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
Run so that she might need you in the hospital.
Okay.
150,000 naira. Nabonye.
My daughter, wipe your tears. As we speak, we have only 30,000 naira in the house. Please just manage it. I will see what I will do to borrow more. Please just manage this.
Thank you. Mama, thank you. Thank you, Papa.
Poor girl. Patrick. But I thought her sister is doing very well at the city.
My dear, the young girl is doing fine. But I would not understand why she abandoned her family.
Only God knows.
It's a pity, I don't know.
Only God knows.
God will see her through.
Yes, sir.
Let's go inside.
Yes, Chukwudi, what is it?
Madam, you get one more, go take it. Say your name now, Ebere.
Ebere. And you came to verify from me before letting her in?
Madam, you know say the filter people where they go see you. So, it's not going to ask you. You know say this kind of person, not the kind of person where they like you see.
My friend, come bring her in immediately.
Sorry, madam.
Sorry for your stupid self. You're welcome. You're welcome. Sit.
Madam, this is your sister. Fine.
Are you mad? Get out!
Sorry.
Yes, my dear, you're welcome. Ebere, look at you. Look how haggard you're looking. You know what? Let's go inside so you can freshen up. What?
It's all about her.
What about that woman? Moreover, I told you that whenever you're with me, you should not talk about her. Are you deaf?
Sister, whatever she has done to you, please forgive her. Mama is dying in the hospital as we speak.
Well, good for her. Nemesis is simply catching up with her. That's all.
Sister, how could you say a thing to a woman who brought you to this world?
Okay, what else could be wrong with her? No, tell me, what else?
Mama was poisoned.
By who? Oh, come on, Ebere, cut the crap. Excuse me.
There is nothing like crap, sister. The doctor confirmed it. She said she needs 150,000 naira for Mama's treatment.
Oh, you see why I said she's a witch? Nemesis is simply catching up with her. Look at her ailment. A poor church rat like her is in the hospital demanding of 150,000 naira. That's ailment for rich people. Nemesis is simply catching up with her. My dear sister, I don't have such money to throw away. I don't.
Saving Mama's life is not throwing away your money. Remember, she's your mother.
She is not my mother. I don't have a mother. Okay, fine. I'll give you the money. For your sake.
You will?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, sister.
You're welcome. Can we go in now so you can freshen up? Alright, let's go. Look how you're looking. Sister's the biggest lawyer in town. Look at how outside you are. Why are you standing like this?
Sister Lucy, I want to go.
Okay. Here, 10,000 naira for your transport. Take it.
What about the 150,000 you promised?
Well, I changed my mind. I didn't want to give you a negative response yesterday.
You lied?
Oh, yes, I did. Lied. But everybody lies. So why are you looking at me as if my own is different? Listen, I didn't want to give you the negative response yesterday because I know that you could run off and go, putting your life at risk. And I wouldn't want anything to happen to you.
Whichever way, we will survive.
Ebere, stay with me.
I'd rather die with Mama than to stay with you.
Very well then. You have made your choice. It's not my fault.
Sister, you are heartless.
Oh yes, darling, I know. I learned it from your mother. She's worse. By the way, where are you going with that rag? Give me that. I'll send you money for shopping.
Whichever way, we will survive. But I promise you one thing. Mama will not die. If anything happens to Mama, there is nothing will come between you and I.
Alice! Alice! Come on, pack this trash. Rubbish.
How far have you gone? Well, doctor, I haven't got anything less than 35,000.
Don't you want your mother to be treated?
Of course, doctor, please. I need your assistance. You can start the treatment while I run around.
Honestly, there's nothing I can do. My hands are tied.
Nurse, Ma, please, where is my daughter?
She stepped out. I believe she'll be back soon.
Thank you.
Sorry, ma.
Doctor, please. Please. Please, doctor, I need your assistance, please.
I'm sorry, we don't operate that way. The money is needed to get the necessary things needed for the treatment. She's losing blood on daily basis.
Doctor, please. Doctor, please, I need your help. Doctor, please, I need your assistance, doctor. Doctor, please. Doctor, please. Doctor, please. Doctor, please.
Listen, this money will not go anywhere. You only need to run around for more money. Please. Nurse, will you start this morning? Okay. Please, we need to run around, okay?
Okay, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Mama. Are you okay?
Where have you been?
I went to see Sister Chisom if she can assist.
What did she say?
It's still the same story. Mama, what's the problem between you and Sister Chisom that you are not telling me?
Cleaning before Oga comes back. You know, if I don't, it will spell doom for me.
Ne, Oga will be going to the board meeting from his house. So, permit me to talk to you. I promise I won't waste your time.
Okay, be brief.
Do you know it was my influence that gained you employment in this company?
Oga Patrick, I know. And I also want to thank you very much for doing that without even knowing who I was.
Anyway, that's okay. See, I love you from the first day you came into this office to look for employment. I'm serious.
Oga Patrick, thank you so much for loving me. But I am not interested in any relationship right now.
Why? Are you heartbroken?
It's not like I'm heartbroken. I just want to work and save some money for myself. I want to also further my education. I don't want to stop in GS3.
See, Ne, stay with me and we will achieve your dreams together. I promise you I will make sure you finish your education. Come on.
Okay, I'll think about it.
Hey, you have to think about it, okay?
Okay.
Come on.
We have done great things.
Ne, baby. Why are you crying? Eh? Melissa, stop this thing now. After all, you're no more a virgin. Eh?
Leave me alone. I know I'm no more a virgin. But I'm afraid that you've had your way with me. I'll soon become a trash to you.
It's a lie. Eh? You know I love you. I can't trade you with another woman. Omalicham. Eh?
You men keep promising. You will promise heaven on earth. But there's no one you will keep.
What did you call them? Men. I'm not like them. I'm a different person. Baby, stop crying now. You know I love you. I love you. Eh?
No virgin.
Look at you. Oh, that lamba. Look at you. Do you know, you are very sweet. Come on, give me another one. Can I get for this one now?
Please, that one you had is enough. Please.
It's not enough.
Please.
It's not enough. Oh. No, ma. Stop saying stop. Oh. Say it romantically. Stop. far you've been so cold all through the day. What's going on? Huh?
I've endured to see this. It is actually what I'm thinking. For the time I spent trying to figure this whole thing out, it looks like my thoughts were right.
Right about what?
I'm pregnant. I've missed my period.
Norma, are you not a big girl? Eh? Don't you know what to take after having an unprotected sex?
Susie?
Excuse you what? Eh? Listen, you must terminate that thing you are carrying there, else you will bear the consequences alone.
I mean,
The child? Yes.
But what if I die?
How many times have you heard of a woman that died after having an abortion? See, you must terminate that child.
I will not kill my baby. Patrick, I will not have an abortion.
Norma, you must terminate that thing you are carrying there. After all, who knows if I'm the father of that bastard?
What? Patrick, you dare call my own child? Your own child, a thing, a bastard.
Norma, leave my house. I want to lock my door.
Wait, you're not kidding, right?
Do I look like a joker? Do I look like basket mouth above it to you? Leave my house right now. See, I'm the only one staying in this house. And I'm not expecting any visitor. It's only you and I tonight. Alright. Baby boom! Who are you and what are you doing here?
Who am I?
Where are you taking this back to?
Patrick, I beg you in the name of God. I don't have anywhere to go. Mother sent me out of the house. She said she cannot gather for me and your own child.
And so?
So, I'm here to live with you.
As what? See, I've told you to go and look for the father of that thing you are carrying in there.
There's no father anywhere. You are responsible for this pregnancy. I don't have anywhere to go. Maybe Kono, pick him for me, please. I'm stranded, Bikono. Because Bikono.
Baby.
Please don't baby me. Soft yourself.
Baby, come back now.
Thank you.
Norma, see what you've caused.
Patrick, what about us?
Norma, there is no us. There can never be us. And there was no us. If you don't leave this place right now, I will commit double murder. Man, we'll give this bastard you here. Leave this place.
Your own child, a bastard.
Leave this place.
Patrick, please.
Mama gives you. I'm not sure.
Wait, you're going to injure me. Men can never change. I've heard all you've said, eh? I will take care of you, even after delivery. That's a promise. Auntie, I don't know what to say. Auntie, God will bless you for me. God will bless you so much for accepting to take care of me and this baby. You are welcome, my dear. But on one condition. Auntie, what's the condition? I will settle you why the baby becomes mine. As it stands, at my age, I have no child to call my own. Please. I don't have any option. If I keep the baby, how do I take care of her? Auntie, it's okay by me. I accept. Oh, please. Auntie, promise me that I will not be restricted from coming to see my own child. No, my dear, no. Not at all. But you are not permitted to tell him or her that you are the mother. Let the secret remain and dies with us. Please. I will not. Stop crying. Tomorrow I'll get to a house. Thank you, Auntie. Thank you. Thank you. Please don't cry. Thank you. Wipe your tears. I said I will take care of you, my dear. Please.
Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah. Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah. Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah.
Baby, how are you? Norma. Auntie. Bring her, let me touch her.
Okay, Auntie. Yeah, me touch.
Wow. Dig. No. Wow.
So this is multiplication. Say 2 times 1. So we count 2 in one places. We count 1, 2. Yeah, let's sum it together. 1, 2. So 2 times 1 is what? 2. 2 times 2. We'll count 2 in 2 places. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's sum it together. 1, 2.
Thank you, my darling. God bless you. Sit down. Anne. Meet our new driver, Mr. Williams.
Mr. Williams, welcome.
Thank you. I want both of you to work together and make sure everything goes on well in this house. Norma.
Auntie, let me get to work. I know you're tired.
Please do, I'm very, very tired. Sit down. Oh, my darling. How are you?
Madam, there is something I want to talk to you about.
What is it all about? Sit down.
Thank you. Madam, it's about Norma. Yes.
Hope all is well.
I like her. I would like to marry her.
William, did you just say you want to marry Norma?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a very good news. Huh? Have you spoken to her?
No, ma'am. You know, Norma and her busy schedule, she hardly have time.
I know. Norma is a very busy person. But you are the man. I have to create the time and talk to her.
Okay.
I'm so happy.
Okay, ma'am.
Williams.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I'll take my leave.
Norma.
Auntie.
Have you ever imagined settling down with a man you call your own?
Of course, Auntie. Auntie, I'm a human being. But as we speak right now, there's no man yet.
Hey, I can assure you, my dear, there are men meant for you. Just that you've not opened your eye to see that which belongs to you.
Auntie, please stop this joke. Man doesn't bother me right now. Yes. Auntie, look at you now. You're single and you're still successful.
I'm not married. Does not mean I don't have a soft spot that yearns for our affection.
Okay.
I want to tell you something. Norma.
Auntie.
I think Williams is in love with you.
Yeah, good afternoon, Norma.
Good afternoon. You're back.
Yes, actually.
Where is Madam? I would have gone home. She's the one I'm waiting for.
Well, Madam is not coming back anytime soon. Yes, but I will go and pick her as soon as it is closing time.
Okay. And how about Chisom too?
Wow, same applies. You know, as I was coming back, I branched into a fast food, you know, to get you something special. Yes, from me to you. You know now. You like it?
Williams, hey, this is nice of you. Oh, you wouldn't have bothered. I just finished making food now. And we still have a lot of juice in the fridge.
No, don't worry. This one is so special from me to you. You like it? Yeah.
Hey, thank you so much for having me in your heart. Too.
Don't mention. Hope you like them.
I love them. Hey, you're a very nice person, Hey, I like them. Thank you so much.
Norma, see, on a very good day, I'm going to make out time to come and know where you stay.
Where I stay?
Yes.
Hey, Williams. See, I have a very big dog. Mighty ones. They are not friendly and they hate guys.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Ha! Are you threatening me or what? I beg. Okay. I will not come again.
Williams, calm down now. See the one this way you arrange your face. It's as if you are scared of dogs. So. But only joking. You don't have any dog. Even me, I'm scared of dogs.
You safe. You almost freaked me out.
Williams, thank you, Thank you. These guys. This guy have eyes on. Hey, how did you know that I will like this clothes? Hey! I'm going to match it with my skate. Thank you. Hey.
Oh, yes. That was delicious. Unlike that crab we normally eat beside Madam's office. This one is specially made, homemade.
Thank you. I personally made it for your kind gesture.
Oh, you did? Oh, that's very nice of you. Thank you so much.
Happy Valentine.
Oh my God. Happy Valentine too. Thank you so much. I almost forgot. You know what? Oh God. Oh my God. This is 25,000 naira as part of the Valentine celebration. Just use this one and get something wonderful, something nice for yourself, okay? You know.
Are you serious?
Come on.
Oh, this for me?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, this is so thoughtful of you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Why do you care for me so much?
I...
Do you love me?
I
mean, are you in love with me?
Yes, just that.
I love you too.
Are you serious? Are you sure?
Yes, I do.
What I will do for my love, I will do it again.
Noma! Noma! Yes, Auntie. Auntie. Welcome, Auntie. You are pregnant. Williams,
Yes,
now that she's pregnant, the right thing to do is to go to her parents, get the necessary requirement for marriage rights. I'll foot the bill.
Are you serious? Yes. Oh, thank you very much, ma. God bless you, ma. Thank you.
Sit down.
Oh my God. Thank you, ma. Okay.
Williams.
Thank you very much for the caller.
You're welcome.
We have come from afar. I will want us to do whatever we are doing on time so that we can get home in time.
That's good.
Anyway, before that, my son here, Williams, said he has seen a beautiful flower in your home. He said he would love to pluck that flower, take it to his home, so that his home will be as beautiful as yours.
Ah. You have spoken well, Mazeze.
Thank you.
But as you can see, I'm not the flower. Or am I? Neither is Nnayo Keke the flower. So I'll call my beautiful daughter so that she will come and Exactly. So Norma. Norma. Norma.
Papa.
Ah, come. Ah, my beautiful daughter.
Welcome, my elders.
Mazeze. This is Norma, my beautiful daughter. Norma, Mazeze here is with his sons. He said that his son, Williams, likes you. And that he would like to marry you to be his wife and take you home. Huh? So, do you like him? Do you want to marry Williams and be his wife? Huh?
Yes, Papa.
My daughter, you can now go back, yeah? Okay. I'll call you later so that you drink and give him so that everything will be confirmed. Huh? Okay. So, go inside. If not, everything is now settled. Eh? We are now in-laws, finally. That's it. Let us be drinking now. Let us. Okay,
What are you doing with my elder brother?
And what are you doing here?
Williams is my elder brother.
Oh, really?
Where is my child?
I thought you told me to about it. Or have you forgotten so soon?
Do not play games on me.
Patrick, listen very well. Today is my special day. I will not want anything, anything in this world, not even you, to put asunder to it. And remember, Patrick, you and I have never crossed paths. We have never met.
But
shh! Do not even try to say a word.
What is it that you cannot wait? It's a stressful journey.
Bro, this thing is very, very important. Okay? It's about a girl you want to marry.
Okay, I'm listening.
Bro, you can't marry that girl.
Why?
I don't think she's the best girl for you.
How can you see someone and condemn oneself? Norma is homely and she is well trained.
Williams, you're not getting it. I can't stand here and watch you make the greatest mistakes of your life. You can't marry that girl.
What are you talking about? You don't even know her.
I don't need to know her.
Well, I can't back off now.
What? Why?
She's pregnant.
Huh? You're not serious.
You heard me. She's pregnant.
Oh God.
Okay. How is your mother doing now?
She's not fine. Her health is getting worse on a daily basis.
Yeah.
That reminds me, Njidika, do you have Kevin's number?
Kevin's number? And which of the Kevin are you talking about?
The Kevin that asked of my hand in marriage. I need his help.
Yeah. Hey, baby. I thought you said you never wanted him.
I need his help. Njidika.
Well, I don't have his number.
Hey, Goody. Njidika, where will I go from here? I need 150,000, Njidika.
My sister, what can I do now, Where did I keep 150,000 naira? Where? You see your life? You rejected the whole 500,000 naira. Now you're looking for 150,000 naira. You see? Baby. When I was talking, it was like, I don't want the best for you. You see now, looking for 150,000 naira. My sister, I can't help you. I don't have any money. Chikom, I don't have. I just keep praying and hope.
Hey, Njidika, where will I go from here now? I need this money. My mother is dying. Hey.
Well, there's nothing I can do now. Let's just keep praying.
What is it? What is it?
What? My mother, she's dead.
Stand up. Come here. Oh my God. Okay, stop crying. God.
Ebere, all this while you didn't bother to check up on me. Where is Mama?
She's dead.
What? What happened?
She was poisoned.
Poisoned by who?
I don't know. The doctor confirmed it. On that fateful day, we came back from the farm. She was complaining. The next thing, she started vomiting blood.
Come on, Ebere, why didn't you call me? Why didn't you reach me? You should have found a way to call me.
I tried all my best, but I couldn't reach you.
Oh, God. God. Why is that? It's all right. I just need you to pull yourself together, okay? I made a mistake by letting you walk away the first time. But this time around, you're going nowhere.
Mama, Papa, please forgive me.
Forgive you over what? Clean your tears and tell us what happened.
How can we forgive you for over what we know nothing about?
He came calling again. I'm tired of being alone.
Ebere, clean your tears and tell us who came calling again.
The same man seeking for my hand in marriage.
Is that why you are crying? My dear, marriage is not a bad thing, it's a good thing. Wipe your tears.
As for me, you have all my blessings, so.
Yes. Whenever he comes around, bring him, let's give him our blessing.
Yes. I'm still putting him under consideration.
Why?
It was not my intention to hurt the only man I love.
Ebere, you are talking of Chima. Chima, that travels since all these days. Nobody have seen or heard from him. Not even a picture. You are considering him. Definitely move on with your life, Biko.
My daughter, don't bother yourself. Waiting for the man you love for so long is not an easy task.
See, what you do is this. Whenever he comes around, bring him. Let me speak with him man to man.
Yes.
What I will do for my love, I will do it again. I will learn your bashara up a love.
Ebere, what is wrong with you? Are you mad? Have you lost your sanity? Stop staring at me like a fool. What did you tell your friend in Jamaica?
I don't understand.
You better start talking now before I slap you. I will slap the hell out of you.
Kelvin, I don't understand.
Will you shut up? Stop telling me that. Stop telling me that. In fact, I am done with all this. I am done with this. I am done with everything. Marry me. Will you marry me? Ebere, please. I love you from the depth of my heart. I want to make you my wife.
Please don't say no. I am sorry I had to do it this way, but just say yes, please.
Yes, are you?
Are you serious?
What I will do for my love, I will do it again. I will on your bashara up a love. What I will do for my love,
I love you too.
I will do it again. Makan up a love. I will on your bashara up a nanigi. Just occupy my heart.
Today is the happiest day for this church. Two of our own are going to join together.
What did Jesus Christ do? He felt angry. I want to tell you a story of victory. When Jesus Christ was coming out from Galilee, he felt hungry. And guess what he did?
God, Kevin is not picking my call. What have I done wrong? Hey, God.
Is he not picking the call?
Kevin is not picking my call. Mama, Kevin is not picking my call.
Don't worry, calm down. Calm down.
Mama, what will I do?
Don't worry, he will pick the call. Maybe it's traffic.
Hey, let me try it again.
I try it again now. It's ringing.
Hey, Mama, no. It's ringing, but he's not picking.
He's not picking. Don't worry yourself. Calm down, just calm down.
Mama.
Calm your spirit down. Let's go inside.
Mama.
Come, let's go inside.
And talk to him. He said, truly, truly, I say unto you, that henceforth you will not bear fruit again. And what did the tree do? The tree went up. And the rabbi that was Jesus said, Master, what happened? You only cursed this tree, that it will not bear the fruit again. And he went out. And Jesus laughed and said,
Jesus Christ died because of Calvary, for the love he has for me and you. Today, the happiest day. For this, our church, two of our own are going to join as husbands.
Jesus walks in the Galilee.
What I will do for my love, I will do it again. I will on your bashara up a love. What I will do for my love, I will do it again. I cannot love. I will on your bashara up a nanigi. Just talk about my heart, yeah. Baby, up a sansagi. Only you there, my heart, yeah. Love, up a nanigi. Just talk about my heart, yeah. Only you, baby. Only you there, my heart, yeah. I will wait for you. Just talk about my heart, yeah. Only you, baby. Only you there, my heart, yeah. Only you there, my heart, yeah. Just talk about my heart, yeah.
What a day.
It's fine.
Like it? It's okay. All right? It's okay. I told you, life wasn't easy for me in London, even though I was comfortable.
So, why did you go in Communicado?
Because I needed to focus. Yes, I needed to stay focused.
Staying focused is not an excuse. What if Kevin was real?
No. Kelvin can never be real. Yes. And that's why I sent him.
You mean you knew what has been going on around us all this while?
Mm-hmm. Yes. I'm sorry the money for your mother's treatment came late.
Your parents knew all this while?
Yes. Don't blame them. They were acting under my instructions. So put the blame on me.
This whole thing seems like a movie to me.
Listen, it wasn't easy for me, okay? Besides, I thought the 2 million naira I gave you will be able to start up a business that will sustain you till I return. That was the reason my mind was at peace.
Yes, it should, but we were robbed.
How? By who?
I don't know, but they just came and took away the money from us. Why are you smiling?
Kelvin told me you were hard to get. Nice one. But in the end, you messed up. You shouldn't have agreed, no matter what. That's betrayal.
Baby, 5 years is not 5 days. My mother, who was my comforter, was not there for me, so I'm sorry, it's not my fault.
It's okay. Come here.
Arrogant, no de pay. Wuru wuru, no de pay. Evil, no de pay. But the genuine love, no de pay. Arrogant, no de pay. No de pay. Wuru wuru, no de pay. Cha cha. If I never knew, na mama yamiri. If I never knew. If any menua na mama yaniri, if any menua na mama bobi, mani ife chubu delu, odega payede, atumatu mira, francha bukwana kiti. What God has written, so it shall be. Whatever they are doing. Open and kitty.
So, madam, how can I help you?
Yes, please. I went to the ATM to withdraw some cash.
Okay.
I don't know what is happening, and I'm on urgent need of cash.
Okay. Can I get your account number so I can check if there's any problem? Barrister Chisom, I sneaked out of the office to come and tell you this little truth I found out. You don't need to go to any other bank to verify this. All your account has been frozen.
What? How did it happen? I called you because I can't make withdrawal, I can't use the ATM, I can't use my card. What is happening? What is going on?
You don't have time, Barrister Chisom. You are my friend. That's why I'm being sincere to you. You need to leave town immediately.
Madam, my work don't finish.
What is the problem? Why are you not opening the gate and why is it locked from outside?
Madam, as you come out here in the morning, you know this 10 minutes when you come out. Army men come here, lock gate, push me out with plenty camera.
Army men?
Yes, ma.
Camera?
Yes, ma. But the only thing good there be say, I go shop for TV. I be one follow them drag. They push me out. Pack me like person where they just invite and wife come out for house. Madam, we don't die, yo.
What does that mean? How can they just come to my house? Chisom Williams' house. Do they know whose house it is?
Madam,
how can they just come
I be
and
one
come
follow
to my
them
house
drag.
just
I
like
don't know.
that?
Myself, who know more now.
Hello, my lord. Please, I don't know what is happening to me. Everything seems to be falling apart. Are you in the office? No, I want to come to the office. I want to come and see you. I don't know what is happening. You have to help me. What do you mean you can't help me? Sweetheart, my darling. As if you don't know, it's Chisom. It's not Chisom. I'm not talking to you. You don't want to have anything to do with... Okay, yes, I know I brought this upon myself. Will you get out? Why are you listening to my call, idiot? Yes, I know I brought this upon myself. I promise, if you save me this one time, it won't happen again, I promise. My lord, please, let me come back to the office. I don't have any money. I'm penniless. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. My house is locked up. And my world is falling apart. Help me this once and I'm not... Hello?
Madam, I beg, if you hear me with small money, make I take.
Arrogant, no they pay. Wuru wuru, no they pay. Evil, no they pay. But genuine love, would they pay? Arrogant, no they pay.
Who be that?
Yes? What is it? Why are you not opening the gates?
Madam, no day.
Are you high?
Be no day.
Are you high? Don't you know me again? Don't I come here without her consent? Open the gate, let me...
No be by to know you. She no day.
I can see I've gone crazy. You are mad. Open the gate. Open this gate. Open the gate.
You are? Sir.
What's going on there?
Open the gate.
Godwin, what's going on there? Godwin, what's going on?
Whatever they're doing, open and get here.
Gracie, you need to sack this idiot. Eh? Are you mad? Do you know who I am? Are you stupid? Can you imagine?
He kept me outside here saying that you're not around. Does he know who I am? Chisom Williams, Barrister Chisom Williams.
Sorry.
Sack him.
Sorry. He's working by instruction.
By instruction?
Yes.
What stupid instruction?
We heard everything. We heard the news. But anyone that associates with you is vulnerable to arrest. And I don't want any trouble.
I don't understand.
So
Tracy.
Please, you cannot come in. I can't help you at the detriment of my own peace. Please go. Okay?
Tracy, wait. Go like I should go? I should leave your house?
Chisom, I warned you. Please leave. Godwin, come inside and lock the gate.
No, Tracy. Tracy, you can't do this to me.
go.
Tracy.
Hey.
Tracy, you can't do this to me. Tracy. Tracy. Get you arrested.
Arrogant, no the pay. Wuru wuru, no the pay. Evil, no the pay. But genuine love, would the pay. Arrogant, no the pay. No the pay. Wuru wuru, no the pay. Yeah, cha cha. If I never na mama if I
Move it!
I can't wait for you to put to bed. Junior doings.
No. Ngozi doings.
Ngozi for where? No, it's a boy. Let me even listen to my boy.
Ngozi doings.
I hear you.
Ngozi doings.
I hear you. It's a boy. Junior doings. Hey, why?
Okay, sir.
Check who is at the gate.
Okay, sir.
What are you doing here? Get out of my house now! I don't want to see your face. I said get out from my house!
I'm sorry, please help me, Becca. I'm sorry.
Get out of my house! I don't want to see your face! Baby, no! Get out! Get out before I will leave my dogs! Get out of my house! Baby, no! Baby, no! Get out! I don't want to see you now! Get out! Baby, no! Get out of this place! Baby, no! Get out before I will lose my dog! Get out! I don't want to see you, man! Get out! Baby, no! Get out of my house! Baby, no! Baby! Get out! Baby!
Calm down.
Baby, wait!
Calm down.
Please, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I have lost everything. My whole life is falling apart. My house is gone. My car is gone. All my accounts are frozen. I don't have anywhere to go to. I don't have anywhere to hide.
Don't worry. I have forgiven you.
You have? Thank you so much, my sister. God bless you.
Thank you.
But there is something you need to know.
Something like what?
What's the problem between you and Sister Chisom that you are not telling me?
What? Uncle Patrick is my father.
Dola for family. What is happening to me? Huh? Njideka, come. I can't see. I can't see Njideka. Hey, where am I? Njideka. Eh? I can't see.
Huh?
Where are you?
See me here. Are you not seeing my hand?
Huh? You are? Where is it?
See it. Hi. What is it now?
I can't see.
Please come inside first. Let's go.
Huh?
Please don't follow. You know I cannot carry you. Eh? What is it now?
I can't see. Huh?
Hey, sit down here first. So that, sit down here. Sit. What happened to you now?
I can't see.
What happened to you?
I can't see.
Hey! Stop shouting.
My eyes.
How did it happen?
Where did my eyes go to? I can't see.
Hey.
Don't go away.
No.
Huh? Hey! Hey! Hey!
Shouting. This is strange now.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Mama? Mama? Where is Mama? Mama!
Sister! Mama, she's no more. She's dead.
How do you mean she's dead? How can she die? Mama!
Sister! Mama is no more.
What are you saying? How can Mama die just like that? What was I doing? Where was I when she died? What happened to me? I don't believe you, Mama!
Sister! Mama, she's dead. She's no more.
No! 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 She cannot die just like that! She cannot die just like that! She cannot die just like that! I cannot die just like that! Mama! 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 It's okay. What happened to me? What happened to me? What happened to me? How can my mother die just like that? How can she die? Mama. Papa, what is it now? And why are you crying? What is it? Please now, Papa, talk to me. Why are you crying? Mama! Mama! Papa, what is it now, eh? I never seen you cry before. Mama! 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 What is it? I don't know. Papa is crying.
My husband. Nine. Oh, Guinea. What is it?
I am blind.
Is that why you're crying?
I am blind.
I know. Eh? But you're not the first to find yourself in this situation, Nine. Eh? How can you be crying because you're blind? Even the tears you're shedding now will add more pains to you. Eh?
I am not crying because I am blind.
So why are you crying?
William,
My husband.
my daughter,
Papa.
I have a confession I've been wanting to make. Please forgive me. Please.
Okay.
I want to make this confession because I know that death is the only thing that is befitting for me now.
Why are you sounding like this now?
Yes, I'm going to die. I don't
You sound so strange, my husband. Please stop. Why?
I don't deserve to live. I don't deserve to live.
Okay, go ahead and confess your sins so that God can forgive you. Talk to us.
I killed Norma.
Huh? Papa? Are you okay?
I poisoned her.
Papa! I didn't hear you well. Can you talk to me? I see you.
I killed Norma by poisoning her.
Hey! Papa! Oh, you're wicked! How could you?
I'm sorry.
So you are this wicked and heartless? You could take the life of an innocent woman! Oh, you're wicked!
Whatever you like, you are justified in doing to me. But that is not all. I turned Chisholm's face against her mother when I discovered that she is my child.
Chisholm, your child? Chisholm, your... Oh, Papa. Oh. No, why? Why? I was wondering. How could you hate Norma with so much passion? I know it. I know it.
I'm sorry.
Papa, you're heartless. Now you've made your confession. You can die. Go ahead and die. I cannot sit down here and watch you and listen to your evil talk. How could I know that all these years I've been living with an evil man? Please, I'll not be here. Leave me alone.
I'm
But
sorry.
you're an evil man. You deserve what you got. You deserve it. You even deserve worse.
I'm sorry.
I swear if your hand touched me. Oh, forget the fact that you're my father. You're wicked.
Please forgive me. Forgive me.
Your own brother's wife.
Mama, please forgive me. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me.
I didn't know what I was doing. Mama, please, I didn't know what I was doing. I was hypnotized by Uncle Patrick. Please, Mama, forgive me. I now know the truth. Mama, please find a place in your heart to forgive me. And I pray that the Almighty God will grant your soul eternal rest. Mama, please forgive me.
Give me